everybody, how's it going? So today I'll be doing my first ever product review on this Antline 3157 Switchback LEDs. So I got it from Amazon for about 19 bucks, and these were shipped to me in about 4 to 5 days. And here's a look at the box. It's just a palm size box, as you can see. And on the box you get the call about the features of the bulb. So basically it's an easy installation bulb, just plug and play, energy saving and environment friendly. As you know, LEDs, they consume a lot less power, and that's why they last long. And there are basically two types of bulbs in the 3157 category. The one is the standard socket, the one which we'll be installing on today. And there's another one called CK 3157 CK bulb, and these are not compatible with the CK one. So make sure that your bulb is socket basically is the standard 3157 socket. And these Antline switchbacks, they come with 1 year warranty. And let's see what we have got inside the box. Upon unboxing, we see inside good quality packet. Let's put this box aside, and here's the look. So let's take them out of this packet and see how are these bulbs. Yeah, so here is the first look. So the first impressions, these are made up of high quality materials. From here to here it's made up of plastic, and the top part is made up of metal for better heat dissipation, because these are high power LEDs. On the front you can see it has got three sets of LEDs. Each three sides have four LEDs, two white and two amber. And on the top you have got a projector lens, and inside that you have got another set of LEDs, two of which are white and the other two are amber. So basically what switchbacks are, these are for your parking lights. And when you install these, your normal parking lights will, when you turn on, will light up white. And all these white LEDs that you see on the bottom, over here and over here, as well as on the top, the ones on the right and left bottom corner, these will light up in white. And when you turn your turn signals on, these will flash amber from these amber LEDs that you see on all these three sides as well as on the top. And while the turn signals are on, your white LEDs will turn off. And as soon as you turn off your turn signals, the white parking light will turn on. So that's a very cool feature of these switchbacks. And we'll see the second bulb as well. So here's your second bulb, it's the same. And these have got the regular 3157 socket, the standard one. And I'm not sure if these are polarity sensitive. Basically, if you plug it in one way, and if it doesn't work, just pull it out, flip it and put it in the socket, and it might work. But for that we have to test it out on our car. So today we'll be installing these on my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis, and it has got clear parking lenses. And I hope these will look good. So in order to make these work properly on your car, you will need a pair of LED load resistors that I have also got from Amazon, so for about $5. So why you need this is when you install your LEDs in place of your regular incandescent turn signal, these will hyper flash, meaning they will flash even faster, like pop 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 pop, as if your bulb has burnt out. So in order to solve this, we'll be installing a pair of LED load resistors that I'll be showing you in this video as well. So stay tuned. So the first step is to pop the hood. So in this Grand Marquis, in order to install these turn signal bulbs, what you got to do is you got to take this assembly out of the car, and to do that there are just two bolts that you need to get off. I've already got the bottom one off. One is over here, as you can see, this one on the top. There are basically two 10mm nuts, one over here and one at the bottom. I've already taken the bottom one off. So once you get these two 10mm nuts out, your turn signal lamp assembly will just come right off like this. So the next step would be to get this turn signal parking light lamp off, bulb off, and we're going to install the new Antline switchback LEDs. In order to get these turn signal bulbs off, you just need to turn it counterclockwise, and I think it's got stuck over here somewhere. Yeah, so it comes right off. Here's the old bulb. What we're going to be doing is just pop it right off because these won't work. It's too hard. Okay, here we got it. 31557 turn signal LED, the turn signal incandescent bulb. Turn this off, and installing the new Antline TV switchbacks on these. Here are the new LEDs, as you can see, projector ones. We'll be installing it today. Let's go right on. Yeah, and now we'll be testing it out. Yeah, if it doesn't work, we'll be flipping it off because these bulbs are, I guess, polarity sensitive. So we'll be seeing if they work or not. Bright and nice white color. Pretty bright, and the projector lens, as you can see, it gives a pretty nice look. I am sure it's gonna work fantastic, but let's check it out with the help of by putting on the turn signals. As you can see, these are super bright and they light up pretty well over here, and this is amazing. So crisp, purple color, bright orange, and better than the incandescent bulbs. So the final step is to pop this bulb back into the turn signal assembly, and I hope it will fit in. It's perfect. Yeah, it's got a lot of room, so I'm sure it's gonna fit well. As you can see over here, these bulbs look fantastic in my turn lamp assembly, and they are super bright. Even the camera is not able to pick it up. That's how much they brighter they are. But the problem is that they are hyper flashing. So in order to solve this hyper flashing issue, what we need to do is we're gonna install these resistors on both sides in order to solve this issue. So where we'll be installing it, as you can see, on the back side of this connector there are markings. The one in the box says ground, the middle one is minor, and the last one is major. So what this means is ground is your negative cable, the minor is for your parking lamp, and the major is the blinking of the turn signal. So we'll be tapping this resistor. The resistors ends one end to the ground and the other end will go to the major wire. So I'll be tapping following this wire. I'll be tapping over here. The white one is the turn signal wire, and the black one is for your ground. The brown one is the parking lamp, which I've already tapped one wire for the fog light into it, so my fog lamps work along with the parking lamps. So I'll be tapping the rest of the two wires, and it will be solving your hyper flashing issue. As you can see now, I have successfully solved my hyper flashing issue. How? By installing a set of one resistor. So here's how I did the wiring. As I said, one end of the resistor went to the white wire, that was the major one for your turn signal, okay, and the second wire of the resistor went to the ground, the black wire over here, and the brown one is for the parking parking setup. And I have tugged my resistor back inside over here, as you can see there, because it gets really hot, so I have to keep it far away from any wires. And this piece is bare metal, both sides, so it's pretty easy. And that's how I was able to solve my hyper flashing issue. And now I'll be installing it back, and we'll do the same on the other side. Finally, I have got it all done. All LEDs are installed in my front end, and now I'm going to show you how it looks. So check it out. Here are my parking lights. Along with my fog lights as well. I've connected them all together. So here's the look. The new switchbacks from Antline are installed over here, and it is so bright the camera is not able to adjust, but I'm trying to zoom in to show you the best possible angle. And yeah, and here's my fog lights. As you can see, got the brand new fog lamp assemblies over here, and that's my overall look for the parking lights. And it's super bright. I don't know if you can see it in the camera good or not, but they're super bright and they light up the area pretty good. And here it is, my front end with all the lights installed and turned on. They look absolutely gorgeous on this car. The white color of the car along with white LEDs, they just look fantastic on my car, and I'm so happy with the output. And before we wrap up, here's the look with the turn signals on. They are so bright, they just light up the entire area over here. And as you can see over here, just gorgeous amber color. And along with the white one, it just looks fab on my car. And the other side as well, it all works properly with the resistors installed. And now I'm going to turn off the turn signals, and you will see how they light up back to white color. And I hope you guys like it. I'll be linking all the stuff in the description below, as I said before, and hopefully many more product reviews and upgrades on my car will be followed. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll be able to build a good community on this car and building up this in future. Thanks a lot. I'll see you around. Cheers.